All right, good morning, everyone. Welcome to a new week, second week of 52 weeks in 2026. Welcome, everyone. Thank you for making our time to be here. So, as promised, let's go quickly through the live market analysis, and then we'll see how far we can go. Right. So, we ask our three important questions. What must I see price do? Sorry, what did price do overnight? That's the first question. So we're on the first pair here. This is gold on 30 minutes chart. All the charts we're analyzing are on 30 minutes. We don't want to be going up and down this year. So just concentrate on one chart and just follow that. So what did price do overnight on gold? Let's look at that. So it just according to what you are seeing. So I can see price went up, came back down, and right now is somewhere around here. It's come up here. It's just somewhere around here now. Okay, right. So next question. Where is price now? So we've noted that price is just right here. Okay, we don't have any break of structures. We don't have any nothing really, right? So it's just a big push up, and we're just consolidating now. What must I see price do before I can execute a trade, before I can take a trade? Very good question. So I would say if I can see price break below here or see price break above here, then I'll be interested in that market. So we want to see price either break below, push back down, and then we'll look for that push, that move down. Or we see price break above these highs, pull back, and then we can follow it upwards that way. Right? Very nice, very simple. Okay, let's look at the next chart. This is pound yen. What did price do overnight? Now, this is a very nice one. This is a nice break of structure right here. A break of structure to the top side. Okay, so what did price do overnight? I can see it's trending. So it's like it's in a trending mode, right? It's right now it's at the highs. This is the high of today so far. It's kind of pulled back a bit. So where is my last valid range? If I look backwards, right, from this zone here, I would say my last valid range is down here where price started pushing up from. So I'll just say this whole zone. Okay. So what do I expect to see price do for me to take an action? So I would like price to actually pull back and then continue upwards, right? Or in the alternative, if it comes all the way back down and breaks below this low here where it started from, I like to say pull back and then I'll go down with it like that. The other thing, of course, that it can do is that it can just from here, it can just push back up, give us another break of structure. So we'll then look for price to then continue upwards that way, right? So very simple, very nice. Someone was saying that, or I read somewhere that if a lion wants to, hunt for his prey, the lion is patient. The lion knows that today I must get that prey. So he's patient, waits for it. And then once he sees the weakest link in the whole herd that he wants to go for, and then takes action, right? So just wait for your setup to occur. No need to rush. Wait for it to occur, and then you can take action, right? So patience is the key here. Wait for your setup. Don't rush. The market is not running away. You are here and you're trading, and you trade very profitably. Okay, let's look at Euro Yen, right? Euro Yen, too, very nice setup here. We see a nice break of structure there, right? Something that is very obvious to you. That is all we're looking for. Nice break of structure, and price has moved up. So it's in a nice trend now. Okay, this will have been a nice place to enter for a buy. But we're not there now. So right here is at the highs here. So if you want to be aggressive, yes, you can take a buy right now, but I'll rather wait. Rather wait to see that break of structure. That pushed back down and then push up. Of course, like we said as well on pound yen, on euro yen. Sorry, yes, on pound yen, it can break above. So once it breaks above, we then want to see a continuation, right? In the alternative, let's mark our zone there. So this one has actually, it has a slight zone there, okay, that pushed this price upwards here. There's a small zone right there, just a minor one really. But if you want to ignore that and just look at this main level here where that price started pushing up from, then you can do that as well. So they say trading is an art really, right? Depends on how you see it. Okay, so price can actually just do this, come all the way back down, and then somewhere in here give you a market structure shift and continue upwards. And of course, if it doesn't do that and then decides to give you a break below there, then of course we know what to do next. Wait for it to then go further down that way. Okay, right, it's pushing up now, so just wait for it, let it do what it wants to do, wait for your setup, and then you're good to go. Let's look at the next pair. No, nothing here. This is just ranging. I don't like that. So let's look at what's the next one. Euro USD. Okay, Euro USD. Let's see. Yeah, Euro USD has given us a break of structure right there. You can see, or a market structure shift. See, market structure shift. This was the last low. This was the high. Okay, so it should be a market structure shift there to the top side. Okay. So what do we expect now? So it looks like it's trending upwards. So let's wait for it. Let it break above, right? Wait for that pullback, and then we'll continue upwards with it. Okay. What's the alternative? Where is that? Where did price, what pushed price up to this level here? I would say it's somewhere here. Okay. So if I do get price to come down, if price then decides to, from this level here, if it comes back down and breaks this low here, then it has changed direction, and then I'm looking for it to go further down. But right now, we are looking very bullish on this pair. Okay, we're looking very bullish. Let's look at the next pair quickly. Pound USD. Oh, very nice. This one too has moved up. We have some market structure shifts there. Market structure shifts, or is it a break of structure? This was the last low. Where was that? Oh, it's even up here. Okay, so this is a market structure shift, and you can see it. I mean, it's obvious. We can see it's pushed up, it's pushed back down, it's pushing back up now. So just wait for it. So next question, where is price? Price is right here. What must I see price do before I take an action? I want to see either a break of structure, and then I'll enter on that pullback, or if it then breaks this low here, right, I'll then be interested in taking a sell. If it breaks this low, I would like to see it then go back down. Okay. Meanwhile, I would like to even see if this one can just pull back a bit, right? If it can just pull back maybe somewhere into this zone here and then give me some bullish signs, then I'll be willing to just take that trade to then go up with it. So it's bullish. It's looking bullish on all these, most of these pairs. It's looking very bullish, so that's good. Okay, that means many of them are in the same direction. Euro pound, USD yen. Okay, USD yen is just, this is more or less just sideways movement, right? This is sideways movement. It's just bounced up and then bounced back down. So it's just sideways movement. What would I like to see? Or what must I see price do before I take an action? So I'll like it to break above, and then I'll go above with it, or simply just say, where's the other one? Or I want to see it break below these lows, then I can go lower with it. Just be patient for it. Whatever it does in between here is all between this bouncing up and down, right? So let's just wait for it and see what price will do. Okay. Do we have any questions? Okay, it looks like we don't have any questions. Oh, that's great. Okay, so we're doing good today. We're doing good today. No questions. All right, so we'll just follow that process, and then we'll be back and see what the New York session is going to give us. Right, I would upload this, and then we'll see later in the afternoon if you can join. If not, hopefully we'll have it recorded, and you can then join in that setup. And remember to, if you want to join the VIP Inner Cycle group, you are welcome to join as well. On that platform, we actually send the trade updates when we see an actual signal, and then people can use that as a reference. Okay, lovely. Okay, thank you. Have a lovely day. Okay.